Greetings, everyone. We're just really so excited that we're going to be heading into our first of our offerings on strength and resilience. It's just such a challenging time to be alive in the world today. Certainly being Métis and being Two-Spirit, my communities that I serve are really struggling with all of the pressures. I'm really thrilled to be partnering with Lynn Fraser. I've been in spaces with her for the last year or so, attending her offerings, and she's been attending ours at Life is Medicine. And we're stepping in together to bring our energies and our focus and our gifts and our strengths, together to serve our broader community.
I too am excited to be able to do this together. I've been benefiting greatly from being involved with Life is Medicine. Part of what we'll be doing on Saturday will be working with the nervous system and breath, how we can use these simple tools and practices to reduce the level of anxiety and fear that we're feeling, lighten our hearts, and allow us to connect. We're well situated for bringing people in on Zoom so that we feel like everyone's part of the same experience.
What I'd like to emphasize is, the power of art and the arts. Our lived experience of trauma is definitely intergenerational, ancestral, collective, and ecological, given our climate catastrophe now. But how can we move towards healing centered, where the focus of the work that we're doing is on the acknowledgement of it and the healing of this arts-based, multisensory or multi-eyed seeing ways of connecting? How do we bring all of ourselves back into our bodies? How can we use the arts to land in our bodies in a way that we can actually heal in the space together and center our healing? We bring up our trauma, but then where do we go with it? That's where the regulation strategies that Lynn brings in are fabulous too, around, how do we breathe through this? What are the tips and the techniques that we can use to realize woundedness is surfacing? What can we do to start releasing that which we have stored and that which is present right in this moment? Because if I can notice right away that my trauma is surfacing and I can discharge it sooner rather than later, I don't have to add to what I've already got contained. That is sapping a lot of my energy.
The focus of the day is on healing and connection. Expressive arts therapy is a powerful way to do that. Experiencing for ourselves that it's safe to be together. That's what really transforms us. We don't have to go through life hypervigilant in fight, flight, freeze, fawn. We can actually come into regulation and connect. That's what we're planning for Saturday. We hope that you can join us.